we at Boldesigns also, as far as putting the equipment up out in the field, we try to do as much as possible in the shop. And the reason we do that, it allows you to test, all of our steam or any of the heating products that we sell that, to heat the kiln. Everything's, we're able to fire, a burner or test a steam cabinet and, check for leaks and that kind of thing. We can watch the quality. A lot of our competitors basically build the kiln on site. They basically have a lot of parts that they put together kind of like an erector set. Whereas Boldesigns, we ship everything out on a truck. It's all put together in the shop, and basically all you're doing is putting a large set of panels together in the field. So it goes pretty quick. The Boldesign standard package load kiln, you can have it actually under roof in about a day. Of course, you're looking at probably another week to finish it up, trim it, hook everything up, wire, and such.